What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jada Juice.
What's good, skins? I am back. It's your boy Jada Juice. I know I first started off as Reactions RS, but enough about that. Look, I have to apologize. I have left the scene and I'm trying to come back like ain't nothing happened. I do apologize. Like, I would probably want to unsubscribe from myself too, but we are back in action. A lot of stuff happened. I'm not going to go into it. I appreciate y'all for sticking with me, the ones that did stick with me. I am going to be reacting to Upchurch Mindset, and I'm going to give a full, in-depth reaction, and y'all gonna get a chance to rock out with me. Before we get into that, I have a huge favor I have to ask you. Hit that subscribe button, splash the notification bell so you can get notified for future reactions like this, and drop your comment suggestions in the comment box below. And with all that said, let's get into it. Hey, YZ, I'm already knowing that's a type of bike engine, and the way you can incorporate, the way he incorporates this into his songs is just ridiculous. Off top. Okay, I gotta tell you, like, straight up, I gotta be like real off the rip with y'all. I've
heard this before, but it's like
it's been so long since I heard it. Like, and then he comes back and goes nuts the way that he does, bro. Upchurch has always been a beast to me. Always. Always. Hey, right, Blue. Creek Squad. I just keep it country. Oh, Lord. Hey, did y'all hear that? He said, I ain't had no handout. I was grabbing the bag of dreams. That's tough. They're saying everybody had a handout. He doing this himself, bro. He doing this himself. Yeah, me. Bag of dreams. What? Hey! Exactly. He's saying they was trying to poke fun at him in the beginning. Man, and he coming back smashing. Now they like, hey, what my handout at? Nah. We raise hell to eat cornbread. Hey, in my Range Rover. Hey, what? I just keep it country. Oh no. I just. What? 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 He said he be hitting them on the shows, hitting it on the road. He get back to the crib, he just fire one up and go crazy. Back in Cheeto County. What? My Jane Clover. Hello. Me and Color Creek Squad. Color Creek Squad. Creek Squad. Mm. Hey. Hey, that's cold, bro. I don't care how many times, man, I can replay this. I could replay this and it'll still sound like the first time I heard it. For real, bro. I could play this I don't know how many times and it'll still sound just like I heard it for the first time, bro. If you have any suggestions, make sure you drop them down in the comments. New videos will be up every other day. I'm not done doing K-pop reactions. Probably never gonna be done doing Upchurch reactions. I rock with you, rock with me. And until next time, it's Jada Juice.